Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about referral system. This lecture is in English and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture or you can directly visit to channel my student support system. What is referral system? Referral is a process in which a health officer at one level of the health system having insufficient resources like drugs, equipments or skills to manage a clinical condition of a patient seeks help of a better, differently resourced facility at the same or higher level to assist in. This is known as referral system. Referral system plays a vital role in management of diseases in any healthcare system. An effective referral system ensures a close relationship between all levels of health system and help to ensure people receive best possible care closest to the home. It also assists in making cost-effective use of hospitals and primary health care services. What are the objectives of referral system? Objectives of referral system are as follows. Number 1, to take expert opinion for the patient, to get additional health services for the patient, to seek better treatment for the patient, to provide super specialty services for the patient, and to seek high-end diagnostic and therapeutic tools. Principles of referral system. Principles of referral system are that number 1, before referral, the referring physician should exhaust available facilities for the diagnosis and treatment. Patient should be given optimal care or best possible care at right level, right time and right cost. Next principle is optimal and cost efficient utilization of healthcare system. Next is optimal and appropriate utilization of specialist services for the needy person and optimal utilization of primary health care services. Okay, what is the process of referral? How referral is done? Referring physician means the person, the doctor who is referring the client from his facility should prepare a referral slip or client referral form. Okay, he will prepare a client referral form or known as referral slip. The health facility that starts referral process is called initiating facility or referring facility, and they prepare outward referral to communicate the client's condition and status and treatment given on a referral slip. Details of this referral is also entered in the referral register for future record. The receiving facility attend the patient, provide best possible diagnostic or therapeutic health care services as mentioned in the referral slip. Then, after providing the services, the client must be returned back to the initiating facility for proper follow-up. So, follow-up will be done by the initiating facility and detail of this referral again entered in the referral register of this facility also. And the entry should be made in referral slip that this treatment has been given and these are the follow-up services which should be provided to the client. What is referral slip? So the client referral form or referral slip should be filled by medical officer of the initiating facility and should be handed over to the patient or should accompany the patient. Referral slip is standardized throughout the referral system to ensure that same essential information is conveyed by referring and receiving organizations. The form or referral slip is divided into two sections. Part A. The part A of referral slip is completed by the organization which make outward referral, means initiating facility, and part B is the service provided part, and that is completed by the organization which fulfills the referral services, or also known as receiving facility. Okay, after providing the services. So this is the example of referral slip. Here there is part A and here there is part B. So this part A is filled by initiating facility and this part is filled by receiving facility after providing the services. Okay, so here signature will be done by medical officer of receiving facility and here signature will be done by medical officer of initiating facility. Okay, so this is identification data, brief clinical notes, and what treatment is given at initiating facility and what services are needed. Treatment, investigation or consultation. Okay, and then date and time, place, and here there will be the entries will be made by receiving facility, that what is the treatment given or what is the report of diagnostic investigation, and then summary and signature. Okay, so this is a referral process flow chart, that here for example PHC is referring to the CHC. Okay, so make the referral form is done, completed, part A is filled, given to the client, and this client is sent to CHC. Here client takes the to the provider or CHC. Here services are provided, part B is filled, and client is sent back to the PHC for follow-up care. Okay, so in this way the referral process is completed. Thank you students for watching this video. You can subscribe the channel for latest updates and you can like Facebook page. For making your notes, you can visit mynursingstudents.blogspot.com and follow me on Twitter, Instagram and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.